Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy a new car within the CSR2 racing game. So let's get started right away. If you wish to buy a new car within the game, then first of all, you will need to have enough currencies. Open up the CSR2 game on your device and log in using your phone save data or your cloud save, and once you have logged in, you will be taken to the main menu. From the main menu page, just tap on your current vehicle and you will see the buy cars option at the bottom left. Tap on this option and you will be taken into the car buying menu. From this page, you can choose from the various different brands, and you can also choose from the class of vehicle. Just tap on whichever one you wish to use or the models that you wish to see, and once you find the car that you are interested in, you can either test drive, and you will also find the buy option underneath it. If you don't see the option to buy this car right away, then this means that you have not reached the level to obtain this car yet. So you can start from the lower levels and then choose from the various different vehicles that you're interested in. If you don't have enough currency, you can tap on the plus icon alongside your current currency value, and you will be able to purchase more currencies for the game using your real world cash. And there you have it. That is how you can buy a new vehicle or a car within the CSR2 racing game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.